So here I'm in signals only mode. I want to show you just how I got there. So I'm going to go to pilottrading.co or app.pilottrading.co. It's going to remember me. It's going to automatically sign me in. I'm going to use signals only mode here because I'm using it side by side with my Interactive Brokers account for day trading. Signals only mode shows me what I have in my watch list. I currently only have stocks. I'm not interested, for this video at least, I'm not interested in Forex futures or crypto, so I've just removed all of those from my watch list. You do that with the little edit symbol here. When you're editing, when this is highlighted, you're able to just remove ones that you're not interested in viewing anymore. Either way, the opportunities, or searching by opportunity, means that the ones with highest confidence will move to the top, where if you have it alphabetically, it's of course your list is just alphabetical, which can be you can miss some opportunities if they're lower down. You're only viewing 7, I think, at a time. Yeah. And so I usually search by opportunity so that the most relevant ones are bubbling to the top. Right. So that only shows you ones that you've currently picked. But if you want a little trick, if you hit the plus sign, if you leave the search term empty, it'll auto-populate some of the ones that it sees out in the wild. Side by side with signals, then you would use your day trading app, whatever, or day trading platform, whatever you're using. Interactive Brokers is a good one because they don't have a commission fee, or if it does, it's very, very small. Either way, find one that has a very low commission fee. When signals shows you an opportunity, when all 4 of the trading algorithms, the perception, the commitment, the equilibrium, and the sentiment algorithms all agree upon an opportunity, as well as you seeing over an 80% confidence, that's a signal for you to take advantage of that opportunity by either buying or selling, depending on what it's telling you to do. So whenever it's blue, that means that the price is a lot lower than it should be, that the algorithms, for example, AAL, let's take a look. So AAL is an American Airlines group. I'm just interested in trading their stock. And it's already dropped down to 89%. So you do have to be really quick with this. Simply type in how many you want to buy, set it up as, and the price that you want to do it at, set it up as a limit, and then purchase those stock. And then by the time you are in your position, you own that stock, it could be as little as 5 minutes later, or even less. You likely want to exit out of your position by selling what you just purchased, and the idea is that you're making a little bit of margin on the movement. Making a little bit of margin on the price difference. Okay, so now in my watch list, I have a stock called BAC. It's a Bank of America. It was just showing as a short sell opportunity, meaning the price is probably a little inflated. It thinks that it's overbought and that it's about to drop down a little bit. So this is a sell order opportunity. So if I were to go into my Quest trade, I see Bank of America stock. This would be a sell order that you would be doing. And every platform is going to have its own kind of restrictions on what you can do with sell orders. It's a little bit different than a normal buy order. Sometimes with sell orders, you have to have a minimum of $2,500 in your account to be able to take advantage of these situations. That said, if you've got more than $2,500, then you can take advantage of these short sell opportunities. And you see right now, every stock in the watch list recommendations, as well as my actual watch list, almost all of them are red, meaning that they market somewhat inflated right now, and there's going to be a lot of price corrections in the downward direction, and you can take advantage of that by creating a sell order, knowing that the price is going to drop a little bit, and then you're going to buy more shares to, so you're basically selling high and you're going to buy low. But yeah, pretty simple, pretty easy to use, fairly intuitive, I hope. Hoping that videos like this would help you. Let me know what is your favorite platform to use. Is it Interactive Brokers? Is it Questrade? Is it Fidelity? Is it Charles Schwab? You let me know in the comments. Thanks.